Hello, I'm Scott with Sean's Photography, and today I want to talk about the rolling cheetah boom. Here you have the rolling cheetah boom right here in front of us. Again, it has 3 casters that are on there, and it's a folding leg system, so you can for easy storage. This bottom system of the stand is the same as the cheetah pistol stand, so therefore the column is the same diameter, and I can actually mount a pistol onto this, but I would have to actually take a 5 millimeter Allen wrench to remove this center column to put this on. Right now you can see it's in the stand position, and if I not fully extend these, but extend these to a comfortable length that I would find comfortable, it's about 13 foot up in the air. And again, that's my comfort level. If you want to go further than that, I think it goes up to somewhere around 16 or more. But don't quote me on the 16. I'm just guessing. But I know it goes up to 13 feet with no problem. What's nice about this stand is that I can switch this right into a boom in a matter of seconds. Loosen that up. Again, now I can go into a boom position. This does come with a sandbag and a lock system for the back so you can counterweight. This here has, like I said, it goes about 4 feet completely out, but I would never extend it fully out like that because again of bowing situations. This has the clamping lock system, so therefore when you tighten this up, it clamps together onto the pole instead of pushing into the side of the pole. So this gives you a more solid locking system. So you have this one, and then you have the one that's actually the big one right here on this, that you can see right here. It does the exact same thing. So slide this back around, loosen that up. Again, do my low ceilings, I have to actually go a certain way. So there you go. Get right in between the rafters. Here you can see the pistols on here. I can use this for my rolling tripod in the studio. I have a Kupo adapter piece on here, or camera mount setup on this. So when I can mount my camera on here, and right now I'm about 36 inches off the ground, and I go down to about a foot off the ground. And anything below that, I would take it off there and shoot from the ground. Doesn't go up a lot, but it's nice to have a little pistol on here, because again, I can put a reflector on here. I can put do clamshell lighting, because I can use the boom and I can use this and get my clamshell lighting. Again, the casters all have a locking thing, and you just have to lift up, and then there's a small little lock on top. If you press on it, it'll come right off as well. But I usually like to just reach underneath it and just go like that. Again, this is the Cheetah Stand Rolling Boom. My name is Scott with Sean's Photography, and thank you for watching.